couple years ago, me and my coworkers dressed up as BTS at the airport for our office Halloween party, and it was the best thing we've ever done. Here we go. And that's how to look like RM at the airport. We had so much fun that day and we took so many photos. We were all wearing face masks and people were looking at us like we were weird. And funny thing now how everyone has to wear face masks. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And I will see you next time.